If you know me, you know I'm jumping on the latest and greatest. So here it is. This is not another unboxing. This is the Series 7 Apple Watch. I'm upgrading from the Series 6, and I'm doing this for you that want to know what's involved when you get a new watch and swap it with the old one. So here we go. So the first thing you do, and don't even touch a button, because all you have to do is unlock your iPhone and voila, classic Apple style. It automatically goes through and gets you ready to set your watch up, and all you have to do is hit set up for myself, and this is where it gets just totally fun. Just hold it right there in front of the crystal of the watch, and boom, magically it pairs. So then all you do is press set from backup. Now when you see this old date on here, don't panic. That's when you set the watch up, or when you bought the old watch. And you tap the actual backup that applies, and away you go. And now that'll just sit there for a while, and then you can come back later and it'll be pretty much all set up for you. Now, if for any reason your pairing should fail and your watch is still in the mode of looking for your phone, or your phone app doesn't work or something like that, don't panic. Go back into the watch app, tap all watches, hit add watch, and you'll bring up the same panel as you did before, set it for myself, and you can go through it all over again. The other thing that might happen, if for some reason bringing your iPhone and your watch together doesn't trigger the pairing, tap on the little icon, tap English, open up your iPhone, and it'll trigger it right away, and you're good to go. The next screen you should come to is the syncing screen. You can actually just leave it alone. It'll just sit there, and you can use your iPhone if you need to. You don't have to worry about leaving it on this screen. You can come back to it later, and then you'll get an alert when the watch is finished syncing. The status will be shown on the watch, and when those tick marks completely go all the way around the face, it'll be all set up, and then you'll get a prompt on the iPhone. So there you have it. You'll get a duplicate of your old watch, the watch faces, everything will be the same. I will not bore you with all the setup of the new watch. So let's do this. You can see here, this is one of their new faces. This face goes all the way to the edge nicely. You're not going to see it on a lot of these data screens because there's really nothing that pushes towards the edge. Their new contour is pretty sexy. It goes all the way to the edge. So there you go. It's super easy, super quick. Within, I don't know, 10 to 15 minutes, you got your watch all set up. Here I am, Gizmo, out in front on the cutting edge so that you guys don't have to take all the hits.